Hello, for this video I am going to show you how to solve for concentration of solution. Step 1. Find the given. Step 2. Find the concentration of the solution. Example. Find percentage by mass of sugar water. Step 3. Formula. Formula percentage by mass equals mass of solute times 100%. Mass of solution times 100%. Step 4. Show your solution. Step 5. Add your final answer. How to solve concentration of solution. Given, what is the concentration of a solution made by dissolving 2.1 grams of silver in 8.3 grams of copper? Formula in solution. Percentage by mass equals mass of solute times 100%. Mass of solution times 100%. Solution. Percentage by mass equals 2.1 grams. 8.3 grams times 100%. The final answer is 10.4 grams of silver and copper. Find percentage by mass of silver copper. Formula percent by mass equals mass of solution times 100%. Mass of solution times 100%. Solution. Percentage by mass equals 2.1 and 8.3. Final answer is 20.19%, 20.2%, or 20%. That's all. Thank you for watching.